So today we're going to be working on this beauty. There are a couple of things to fix, but the majority one is going to be the AC clutch. When I bought this car, I noticed the AC clutch was missing, and I'm going to insert a clip right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I did notice this on the bottom of it. Somebody, whoever was driving it, was neglecting this car because it looks like this is a compressor clutch. And if you look down here, it's not on a compressor at all, so that's going to be another repair as well. All right, now that you've seen that, I just bought this because the car system is pressurized. So what I'm gonna hopefully achieve is by replacing the clutch that the AC compressor kicks in, because there's a freon, there's everything is connected. So let me show you inside the engine bay. Anyways, here is the car, pretty sleek looking. I'm gonna have to lift the car up. I actually bought the quick jacks and they're brand new and they're piece of shits because one of the valves is not working, so I can't use them, and I gotta do this the hard way, back lifting on multiple spots just to lift up the car. But yeah, so let's get it lifted. Let me show you the AC clutch. I also have to install this bad boy under, because once the rebuild was done, I haven't installed that because I knew I needed access for the clutch. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna change the oil, and we are gonna see if this little part is gonna be able to fix the car. All right, underneath the car, here is my AC clutch. Looks like I'm gonna have to clean it and make sure there's no residue on it before I put a new one and tighten it up. All right, that's a lot of elbow grease, like my pillow. That's pretty cool. And there we are. A lot of brake cleaner, a lot of brush scrubbing, but she is looking decent. I think I'm just gonna call it good, and I'm gonna put the clutch back in there. Put a little bit more rinse, a lot of rinse. I call that good. Here is the AC clutch. Here are two spacers. You wanna put these spacers here depending on how many do you need. You don't want this clutch to be riding on the wheel itself, so you want to have maybe a nice hairline gap between everything. Otherwise you're gonna heat up this. That's what happened to this previous one, and you're gonna melt this plastic. So space it out, because this flexes like a clutch. So I'm gonna see if I need one or two. Alright, so I got the AC clutch on, and pretty much one spacer was good enough. So let's just start it right now, see if it engages. Alright, as you've seen, the AC clutch is engaging, and it is actually blowing cold inside the car. That's freaking awesome. $39 or $29, and she is fixed. So next thing is I'm gonna change the oil because it's passed through. Alright, got the oil drain. As you can see, the filters are very different. That's why you don't trust third-party shops. You gotta do it yourself. And here is the oil that I will be using. I use this on all my cars. It's Castrol Edge full synthetic 520 with a full Ford filter. So let's install this and top it off. AC is working, oil is changed, she is ready to rock. I still do need new wheels though. As you can see, front and rear are different.